Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Apple AirTag Tracks Down Airport Luggage Thief.
On April 5th, 2023, airport officers were dispatched in response to a report of missing luggage.
Hey.
I was just the ones calling to the number. So I was literally just right there at that where I was leaving with the backpack.
Okay.
The backpack is, and I just got on an international flight and I kind of dozed off here.
Okay.
And I had my luggage right here, like right precisely here, and I dozed off for like 10-15 minutes, and like 10 minutes ago I woke up and it was gone. So I thought maybe some of the officers were around and thought it was like unaccompanied luggage, so maybe they took it. So I called the non-emergency line, but they said that they didn't find anything.
No.
So yeah, I'm
gonna give the cameras a call and see if we can see what's going on with this.
I appreciate it.
Hey, this is Baker 4. Are you able to see us where we're standing? I see a camera. What did the bag look like?
Black, and then it had
hard case or soft case?
Hard, and then it has like horizontal lines on it.
Hey, this is Baker 4. What exactly did you see? Baggage 29. So he stayed upper level and just went to the right? Okay, sounds good. You want me to call you back, or you want to call back, or just stay on the phone? If you'll just stay here, I'm gonna start going down. If they said they went in that direction,
okay.
I'll talk to my partner.
Yeah, and I also have an AirTag in it.
You do? You're tracking it right now?
It was already gone. Like,
where is it showing now?
Around this area, still Terminal B.
Is it like further down, like all the way to Baker 9 area? That's what I'm asking. Is it still in this specific area, or is it all the way down at the end of the?
I checked. I walked down there, and then there seems to be no one.
Okay. I'm gonna start walking this way. He's gonna give me a call back if you stay here. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
I really appreciate it.
Of course.
Listen, the officer asked him, he said, hey, is it a soft shell or a hard shell? Listen, it's gotta be a hard shell, man. If you still traveling with these soft suitcases, no, man, your stuff is getting crunched up crazy. Got it. Hard shell, man.
It's like a black shirt with like a red and blues circle on the front. It's almost like a Pepsi shirt or something. Came up, snuck up, grabbed it, came lower. So he's tracking him right now to see how much further he's going. He'll give me a call back, but if we want to go down, do lower level and upper level, we probably can.
Super easy to track people in the airport, too.
I called MCR, and apparently a guy did come up, took it and went down this way. He might be upper level still, just hiding away in one of the stairwells, or he went lower level. Hard case, roller bag, black male with a black shirt.
Do y'all have all his info ready?
Not yet, no. We'll start checking each stairwell.
Okay.
And go from there. Fell asleep and woke up 10 minutes later.
Yeah, we passed by him like twice.
Yeah.
Just to make sure, you do want to file charges if he is caught.
Yes, please. I mean, what can I do about it?
You don't have an ID from anywhere in the United States?
I do have a Missouri ID, but it's probably expired, and I didn't really. I got some new shoes in there too.
Anything of high value?
That shoes, probably
what kind of shoes?
It was a Nike Jordan.
Nike.
100 euros from Europe, and then just some personal clothings, probably worth up to $500-600.
Okay. 741 to the Baker units. There's going to be some Nike Jordans in there, black and red in color, and then clothing items.
Baker 3 to any units that are close to the text rail. If you can head that way, please.
I don't want to give you any false hope, but there's a possibility we might have found him.
It's just I gotta make it to my flight, that's it.
What time is your flight?
I gotta check in at 5, so as soon as the ticketing office is...
We should be done by then.
You're the best. Thank you.
Yeah, that's in 2 hours.
You guys.
Thank you, South Trail.
Hey, stop running!
Uh-oh. Woo! Game time.
He's running now. Court South service.
Officers hate to run, too. Yeah.
He's coming up South service now.
He really think he gonna get away? Come on, man.
Get on the ground right now.
Get on your knees, hands
Hey,
up.
you a big boy.
Get down, come on. Get down all the way,
Where
all the
you
way.
running to?
Hey, stay on the ground. On your sides, out like this, come on. If you move, you're gonna get tased. Make it 1 tase point. Hey, what are you doing?
Unbelievable.
Okay. I know that's not your bag, right? Get you up.
Man, he can't run.
Come on, let's walk back. Stand up, come on. 3, 2,
Damn
1,
near
let's go.
gonna die.
Get up. All right, let's walk back right now. What the hell are you doing, man? What's your name? Yvonne. Yvonne? What are you doing out here right now? Obviously, you're taking someone's bag, right?
He can't even talk. He out of breath.
Looks like we have your bag. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to get an officer to bring it over here.
You guys, I don't know what magic you did there, but
And we just have cameras pretty much everywhere in the terminal, so they were able to track him down.
Super easy to get tracked at the airport.
Separate more. Oh, pick the wrong guy to run from. God damn. Separate your feet from me more. Straighten up. Straighten up. Come on.
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's sit down. Right here. Okay.
See, that's how I used to do it too. Kick the bottom, the inside of your back heel. Spread your feet. Kick. They don't want to spread. Kick it. Kick it. Let's go. Yeah, that's good work right there. Yeah, I like these officers.
Whose bag is this, man?
I don't know.
You don't know him at all?
I just shot them.
So you found it. Where'd you find it at?
In the airport.
Where at an airport?
Next to someone, right?
No.
Not next to anybody.
It was just
Hey,
standing
listen,
there.
I'm being straight up with you. We have cameras all over the place. We're not done, man. Tell us. We have cameras all over the place, Al. So why are you lying to me, man?
Not lying.
Okay. That's fine.
I'm gonna stand up real quick. I'm gonna get this bag off. I just want to go in custody. Separate your feet for me again, like how we did. A little bit more. Hey, we're gonna take these cuffs off for a second. Then I'll get this backpack off.
I'm trying to, okay?
All right.
I got you here. Okay?
If you try, I'm gonna drop you right on the ground. Do you understand? All right.
Dump him on his head.
You
Oh
mess
yeah,
anything
I
that. Put your
like
hand on
these
top of your hip
officers,
when I
boy.
release this, okay?
On your head.
You made
This
one
I'm
wrong
gonna put this on
move.
top of your head too. Do you understand? True. Put it on your head.
My name is Sergeant Works. I'll be taking you to our holding facility here at the airport. You don't have any hand grenades, knives, guns, anything like that on you?
No.
All right.
My apologies. I'm just double checking. You got red Jordans and a bunch of miscellaneous clothes, correct?
That is correct, and there should be an Apple AirTag somewhere in there. Where is it? In the lining?
in the lining, like the zipper, and then on the other side. So it's the first thing that you would probably see.
Anything else with yours? Just this backpack?
Damn. He took all his stuff out.
You got the tag things?
Yeah, we haven't done an air tag just yet.
No, I'm not talking about. Did you get a picture of this yet?
Yeah, I got a picture of that, sir.
All right, Mr. Williams, you're going to come with me. We're going to go all the way down here.
Follow me.
Walk across. We're going to be on the underpass, all right? You been arrested before, man? No.
Yeah.
Never? How come the Fort Worth Marshals want you? I don't know. You been pulled over or anything like that? Stolen property before?
Oh, 6 minutes ago, update.
It updated?
Yeah, 2 minutes ago now. Because it was 50 minutes ago, right? So it's around this area.
That's where they're
This
at. Right
officer
now.
is
That's
at-
where they're at right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
my God. Oh, my God.
All right, Mr. Williams, we're going to go to the squad car with the lights on. Get you in the back seat, get the AC going for you, give you a chance to cool down.
All right, it's 3:17. I want to see what time was it when they first initially talked to this guy. Wow, that's good work, man. 2:50 to 3:17. That's good work. That was pretty quick.
Update.
It updated?
Oh, my God.
Chance to cool down, all right? We got about a 2-minute ride to where we're going.
So it won't be long. We'll get you out of the back of the car, get these handcuffs off you. They'll be able to get you something to eat. You have an eating, get you something to drink, give you time to rest up, all right?
25 minutes, man.
Yeah, my mom better not find out about this.
Oh, so you said you had your feet on it?
Yeah, I have my feet on it, but like probably I was
Initially,
too tired,
yeah.
and then it like naturally just like falls out, and then
Okay.
probably take the chance that he was seeing I was really tired and didn't have anything else.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I mean everything I have for the next 2 weeks is in there.
Gotcha.
So, Mr. Williams, just so you understand, you're being placed under arrest for theft, okay? You understand that? Yeah. Okay.
There's also probably going to be additional charges for you running, okay? That's going to consist of evading arrest, search, or transport, okay? Do you have any questions? All right. Easiest way to hop in is just your left leg first, all right, brother? Gonna sit down in that seat just like that, perfect. All right, I'm going to make this as comfortable as I can for you, all right?
Can you take the handcuffs off?
I can't do that, unfortunately. But like my boss just told you, it's only about a 2-minute ride down, all right? So, but is that comfortable as far as the seatbelt goes for you? Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else I can do to make this ride more comfortable for you? What's that? It's okay? Alrighty. Like he said, he's gonna get that AC going for you, okay?
Yeah. It looks like, I don't know if a little tag got broken. Maybe there's a lock.
Sir, I appreciate it so much.
Of course. You want to check to make sure if anything was taken out or dropped out?
Yeah,
Sounds good.
it's all a hot mess right now. Everything got all
No, you're so
undone.
fine. No, I appreciate you guys looking out. So.
I sat on the bag we tried to all zip it up.
No, I don't know how to thank you guys.
You're good, man. That's why we're here. So if you want to just double check, see if anything was dropped, if anything's missing.
There's the shoes and yeah. I mean, this is pretty much all I had.
Okay.
Do you want to
Yeah.
go through it a little bit more?
Yeah,
or?
for sure. Was this like a chase or something? I mean, you guys were.
No, you're good. No, that's our job. That's why we're here. So no worries about it, okay?
All right, that's the report number.
Thank you. And this Garcia.
Copy. Okay. Any questions?
Anything else?
Thank you. I just want to say I'm really appreciative.
Yes, sir. It's over here.
Of course.
Thank you. You guys have a good rest of your night.
You too. Have a hopefully better,
Yeah,
okay?
thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
The man was charged with theft and evading arrest or detention.
You know, this was a good outcome. I ain't gonna lie. You know, and then the guy, he's really appreciative and everything. See, because a lot of times what we see is when people call the cops, aka domestic situations, they don't want nothing done to the opposite party. So it'd be like, man, we wasting time here. Why did you call us? Do you want to press charges? No. Like, and it's just a big waste of time, man. I like this. This guy didn't know the thief from a can of paint, man. And he stole his stuff. He didn't waste the officer's time. And he went through the appropriate measures because he called the non-emergency line and not 911. And most people just call 911, which is the emergency line. But man, and then he was appreciative at the end. The officers did a good job. They hunted him down. But hey, I don't know. You let me know. I don't know. But it seemed like the guy that stole the property, he's a little off. He's a little slow to me. I don't know. But, you know, it seemed like he not really wrapped too tight. I don't know. But you just let me know.